Hi my friend, since I recorded this video, Figma changed its interface a little, so let's look what changed. There are two changes in these menus. Previously the search was over here and it moved here, so I can search something. And community moved down here, and now I can click it to get to the community and to look for different things, to look for files and plugins. Actually, all the rest is the same. It just now is more, it looks more like a browser than it was before. So you can go back to your account like this. So this is community, and if you want to go back, you can either use this arrow or you can use this drop down and go to your account. And that's it. The rest of the video is correct for now, so let's go and see the lesson.